Knitting a cowl is extremely easy and lots of fun for the beginner knitter. Using size 10 needles, cast on 74 stitches and 1 extra. This will ensure that you don't have a hole at the bottom of your knitting. Today I've used rib stitch, which is extremely easy and effective in the cowl because it gives lots and lots of stretch. The rib stitch is 1 knit and 1 purl. And all you need to do is knit 40 rows. I have my marker at the 20 row mark. 40 rows of rib stitch, which is the same as 29 centimetres. I'm using Rowan's Big Wool, which is a 20 ply wool because it's soft, luxurious, and it knits extremely quickly. I hope you enjoy it. Cast on 75 stitches. For this pattern, you need 74 stitches. The extra stitch is because we're using the round knitting needles. So that you don't create a hole, slip 1 stitch onto your second needle. Whoops. Pass 1 stitch over and just secure. And now we start our pattern, and that won't create a big hole in your work. So to do the rib stitch, it is 1 knit, yarn to the front, purl. And as we come to where we started, we can see that the tail is here and we continue knitting all the way around. As we go into our second row, you can see that it's actually filled out the entire round, so it actually makes it easy and quick to knit, and all of our stitches are in the middle and they're not twisted. When you have the desired length for your cowl, it's time to cast off. Purl, and then we pass the stitch over, and you continue this all the way to the end, and this will cast off. And there we have it, an easy to knit divine cowl, which will be fabulous for those cold wintry mornings. All you need to do is knit 40 rows or however long that you want it to be, and it's done. Super quick, easy, and the perfect project for any beginner knitter.